It's freezing today.
Yeah, I'm not going out in that.
Well, someone has to let Oliver out.
Yeah, someone. I did it last time.
Well, you're his favorite, so
No.
fine. We'll draw straws. Tic-tac-toe? Ha! You have to take him out.
Well, I have a business call.
You have a business call with Pizza Hut?
How about we both take him?
Okay. Sure.
Ladies first.
Oh, thank you. You know, you might want a bigger jacket than that.